You know, in the world of fine jewelry, some pieces do more than just accessorize. They absolutely command attention. They're not just made of precious metals and stones, they're composed of light, of pure artistry. Today, we're going to take a very close look at a masterpiece that truly embodies this idea, the diamond cluster earring.
And here they are. What you're seeing right now is just this immediate, undeniable cascade of brilliance. These are crafted from gorgeous 18-karat white gold and set with nothing but natural, untreated diamonds. They are designed from top to bottom to captivate you from the very first moment you see them.
So, let's talk about the substance here. This pair of earrings holds a truly significant 9.5 carats of diamonds. Now, that's not just a number, it's a testament to the collector-level quality and the incredible presence these earrings have. And get this, that total weight is distributed across 66 individual natural diamonds. Every single stone is hand-selected and then precisely placed to build this greater design, creating a complex tapestry of light that, honestly, a single stone just could never achieve. The foundation for all of this brilliance? That's the 18-karat white gold. And it was chosen for a reason, not just for its value, but for its unique properties. It's incredibly strong, so it secures every diamond perfectly. And its bright white luster, which is enhanced with a rhodium finish, acts almost like a mirror, amplifying the sparkle of the stones for a really pure, clean look. Okay, so we've talked about the foundational materials. Now let's dive into the artistry of the composition itself. Because the real genius of this design is in how all these beautiful, different elements are brought together. The design masterfully brings together 4 distinct diamond cuts. You have the elegant, elongated marquise, the classic teardrop pear shape, the sophisticated oval, and of course the brilliant round. Now this isn't just a random assortment. This mix is intentionally orchestrated to create incredible dimension and to play with light from every possible angle. And I want you to notice the layering here. The diamonds aren't just set on a single flat surface. They're prongs set in this multi-level arrangement. What that does is it allows light to enter and exit from so many more surfaces, and that's what creates that incredible depth and scintillation you're seeing. This table really reveals the meticulous balance of the whole design. You can see the largest portion of the weight is in those 10 pear-shaped diamonds. They form the heart of the drop. But look how it's all supported by 38 round brilliance for that fire and 16 marquise cuts for that elegant, elongated feel. It's truly a carefully engineered symphony of stones. Of course, all that quantity means nothing without quality. These diamonds are graded FG in color, which puts them in the highly desirable near colorless range. It means they're exceptionally bright and white. Their clarity is VS1 to VS2, very slightly included, so any imperfections are literally microscopic and invisible to the naked eye, which ensures that nothing gets in the way of their sparkle. So, we've covered the materials and all those meticulous details. But what does that actually mean for the experience of wearing them? Let's talk about their presence and scale. The second they're worn, the whole design just comes to life. You can see how the elongated, articulated shape creates this graceful movement that follows the wearer. And that motion is absolutely key because it's constantly changing how the facets catch and reflect light, creating a dynamic, living sparkle. Now, to give you a very clear sense of scale, these earrings measure 56 millimeters in length. That's just over 2 inches. This is a significant size. It's designed to create a strong evening presence. But notice how the proportions are still so elegant and refined, never overwhelming. This is statement jewelry done with perfect sophistication. This style is what's known in the industry as a chandelier earring. With their length, their glamour, and that incredible sparkle, they are the definitive choice for the most formal occasions. We're talking black tie events, galas, weddings, those moments that call for truly exceptional jewelry. Okay, let's look beyond that brilliant surface for a moment. Because a piece like this isn't just art, it's a marvel of engineering. The beauty that you see is supported by incredible technical skill. Here, when you compare the front view to the side profile, you can really appreciate the intricate framework it takes to hold all 66 of those diamonds securely. Notice how the structure, we call it the gallery, is expertly built to be both strong and minimal, allowing the maximum amount of light to play with every single stone. Now let's turn our attention to the closure.
These feature really robust clip-on backs, and that was a very deliberate engineering choice. They're designed to comfortably support the substantial weight of the earrings, making sure they hang perfectly. It also means this magnificent statement piece is accessible to everyone, whether you have pierced ears or not. There's a quote from the designer's notes that I think just captures the very essence of this piece perfectly. The mixed shape layout gives the pair a distinct profile that reads with authority while staying elegant on the ear. Bold, confident, and yet undeniably elegant. You know, a piece like this is so much more than an accessory. It's really an heirloom. It represents a legacy of craftsmanship, of brilliant design, and of timeless beauty. Our exploration today is really just the beginning of this jewel's story. So are you ready to discover more about this level of artistry? For those of you who appreciate this level of artistry and detail, we invite you to visit BijouxNYC Direct online, where you can explore our full collection of fine diamond jewelry. There, you'll find comprehensive specifications, absolutely stunning high-resolution images, and the stories behind our ethically sourced materials and expert craftsmanship. We invite you to immerse yourself in a world of truly exceptional design. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into brilliance.